So your HP printer is not working after your Mac gets a big OS update. See, what a lot of people don't realize is when your operating system updates, sometimes your printer stops communicating with it completely. But the good news? The fix is usually just updating the latest printer driver and tweaking some settings. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 easy methods that will get your printer back working on in just a few minutes. Or if you just need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Verify printer connection. If your printer is connected over Wi-Fi, you just have to make sure it's on the same network as your Mac. You can actually print out a network configuration page straight from your printer's control panel. This page will show you exactly what network your printer is connected to and whether the connection is working properly. And if it turns out your printer isn't connected properly, no worries. Just go ahead and reconnect your printer to your Wi-Fi network. It literally just takes few taps on your printer screen. Alright, so if you've just checked all that and your printer's still giving you trouble, don't worry. We've got more fixes coming up. Let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Update printer drivers. So on your Mac, just click on the Apple icon in the top left corner. Once you click that, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, go ahead and click on System Preferences. Now, look for something called General and click on that and select Software Update. Once you see options to install pending updates on your printer, if there is, just go ahead and hit Update Now and let it do its thing. Alright, so if you've checked the connection and updated your driver and your printer is still offline, we're going to do a full reset of your printing system. This is like giving your printer a fresh start, and honestly, it fixes most stubborn problems. Method 3. Reset the printing system. On your Mac, click on the Spotlight search icon, that's the little magnifying glass in the top right corner, and type in Printers and Scanners and open it up. Now, Control-click on your printer. When you do that, a menu pops up. Look for something that says Reset Printing System and click on that. Your Mac will ask you to confirm. Basically, it's just making sure you really want to do this. Go ahead and click on the Reset to confirm. Once that's done, power off your printer completely. Just turn it off, then wait a few seconds and power it back on. Give it a moment to fully reboot. Alright, now head back to the same printer and scanner window on your Mac and look for an option that says Add a printer. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, your Mac's gonna show you a list of available printers. Simply find your printer in that list and click on Add. Now, just wait a moment while your Mac sets everything back up. Once it's done, you'll see it finished. Your printer should be back online and ready to go.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.